Well, today working on this Can-Am X3 4-seat. Came in for bad wheel bearing. You can see that movement there. It's got quite a bit of play. So checking it out, the right rear also is bad, but just not as quite as much as this one. It's got a little play in it, so we're gonna do that. Then do service and an air filter, and then the front bushings up here. Let's see if I can get them to move. These upper ARM bushings are both got quite a bit of play in them when I really reef on the wheel, so we're gonna do those too. All right, just gotta get this snap ring out of here, and we will press this thing out. So we're gonna press this thing out using this socket here, and then pressing the new one back in. I got this plate that I cut out on the Plaz table, and it fits in there with a little bit of play, and we'll press it back in with that. So it's always a good sign on these if you have to press them back out, because if you can get them out with just like a hammer on a bench or in a vise, then chances are this aluminum is all wallered out and you have to get a whole new knuckle. So if it has to press out, then that's a good sign that the knuckle's still good, and it's just the wheel bearing that's bad. But if the wheel bearing gets bad and then you keep running it, that's when they start to like waller around and they wear out the aluminum. Okay, got it rigged up, a couple spacers in here, got it nice and flat. We're looking pretty square. Let's see how it starts to press here. Looks like it's pressing straight. So I got busy and forgot to film the rest of the Can-Am, but got it all done, got the wheel bearings both in, got the service done, new air filter, got the front A-arm bushings all in and done. So that's all tight and it's going back to the customer. So sorry about that, but this gonna make this one a little bit of a shorter video, but in return, I got you a sneak peek of the new wrap on the race car. Let's check it out, and then we'll be done for the day. So if you want to see more of the race car, make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, tell me what you want to see more of. From the view counts that I've gotten, I think you guys want to see race car stuff. So I'm going to try to go more towards that. So here we go. Okay, we're down at 3BK sign, getting the car wrapped. They're almost done. It's looking pretty good. Got all the sponsor logos on, everything on. It was a whole pain in the ass to get around all the curves on this thing. It's really hard. Like, they got all this in here with pretty much one piece and the little patch panels. A lot of curves on this thing though, but it's coming together. So what do we got? 8 more days till the mint.